In this part, we will design the rest of the blocks in the field as we designed the first block in the previous part. So we go to the block at the right and we choose the second block. Then we specify the options here. Before starting the design, we close the irrigation window. Then we go to the File menu. Then we press on Save All. Then we save the previous design in the project file with the title First Block with MAL extension. Then save. Then save. Then we start designing the rest of the blocks by going to the menu bar on the left. Then we press on the irrigation menu. Then a new window titled Irrigation appears, and in it we design the rest of the blocks in the field as we designed the first block in the previous part. So we had designed 5 blocks in the field and remain to us only the 6th or the last block, and we will design it as we designed the first block in the previous part. So we go to the menu bar on the left, then we press on the irrigation menu. Then a new window titled Irrigation appears, and in it we go to the block at the right. Then we choose the 6th block. Then we specify the options in the blocks menu as we see. Then we press on the fill laterals. Then a window appears and in it we specify the options as we see. Then we press on OK. Then in the define pipe type for laterals window we tick on the manifold. Then we choose a pipe with a certain diameter. Then OK. Then we make a left click on the 6th block in the field. Then OK. Then yes. Then in the irrigation fill blocks window we press on the define the inlet valve. Then OK. Then we specify the valve location by making a left click. Then we press on the done. Then we return to the irrigation window. Then we go to the notes menu. Then we press on the add single. Then we tick on the fitting. Then OK. Then we make zoom in for the 6th block and the valve. Then we specify the fitting location by making the left click. Then we make a right click. Then we return to the irrigation window. Then we go to the pipes menu. Then we press on the add single. Then a window appears and in it we choose the appropriate pipe diameter. Then after we choose the pipe, we press on the OK. Then we start out stretching the pipes. So we make a left click on the valve, then to the fitting. Then we make a left click several times on all the lateral pipes in the sixth block as we see. Then at the end we make a right click twice and we press on cancel. Then we press on extend laterals. Then yes. Then OK. Then we go to the global menu, and in it we note that the design and calculate option is activated, so we press on it. Then a new window appears, and in it we go to the size pipes menu, and in it we specify the options as we see. Then we press on the manifold. Then the proposed pipes appears. Then we go to the results menu. Then in the pressure and valve we choose 30. Then we press on the calculation flow along pipes, and a warning message appears in the red color indicating that the pipe velocity is outside limits, and as we see in the table in the first line or pipe, the velocity is 2.12, which is greater than maximum velocity limit, which is 2 meters per second. So we make double click on the velocity value, then we click on the edit info in the irrigation pipes window. Then we choose another pipe with a greater diameter as we see. Then we press on OK. Then OK. Then we make a right click. Then we press on the calculation flow along pipes. Then the velocity in this pipe becomes 1.94, which is less than 2, i.e. it is OK. Then in the same way we make the velocity equal or less than the maximum velocity limit, which is 2 meters per second in the rest of the pipes that have the velocity greater than 2 meters per second as we see. Then we press on the calculation flow along pipes. Then the warning message disappears, i.e. it is OK. Then we press on the close, and we go to the blocks menu. By that we have finished designing the sixth block in the field with a flow equal to 50 meter cube per hour and a pressure equal to 30 meter. Then we close the irrigation window. Then we make zoom in on the blocks in the study area. Then we save the project by going to the file menu. Then save all. Then in the project file we type the save name, which is 6 blocks. Then save. By that we had designed 6 blocks in the field.